Ever find yourself staring at your closet, wondering why your outfits aren't quite hitting the mark? You've got the clothes, you've got the accessories, but something's just off. What if I told you that you might be accidentally dressing like new money and not even knowing it? But don't worry, this isn't a fashion roast. It's your ultimate guide to spotting those classic new money mistakes and fixing them fast. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to elevate your look. Ready to say goodbye to fashion fails and hello to timeless sophistication? Let's dive in. Number 1. Over-branding is a dead giveaway. If your outfit has more visible logos than Times Square, we've got a problem. Picture this. You're stepping out, feeling fabulous, but your outfit looks like a billboard for designer logos. Sure, it's attention-grabbing, but not in the refined way that whispers elegance. High society style is about subtle sophistication, not a logo parade. The true mark of the class lies in letting the quality and design of your pieces speak louder than any brand name ever could. Instead of flaunting that oversized Gucci G buckle, consider a sleek leather belt with no visible branding. Imagine the buttery texture, the precise stitching, and how effortlessly it blends with your outfit. That's the magic of understated luxury. It invites admiration without demanding it. When it comes to dressing with quiet confidence, less is always more. Swap logo-covered handbags for structured, minimalist designs. Trade flashy sneakers for polished loafers or classic heels that make an impact without shouting. Building a wardrobe of high-quality, unbranded pieces shows you know what elegance truly means. People won't be impressed by the name stitched on your clothes. They'll be wowed by the way you carry yourself. Because, at the end of the day, timeless style always outshines temporary trends. Number 2. Too trendy, too loud. Jumping on every trend may feel exciting, but it's a shortcut to looking like a walking fashion experiment. Neon greens, wild prints, or outfits straight off the TikTok feed can easily cross the line from edgy to chaotic. While trends can be fun, dressing like high society is about restraint and refinement. Instead of a neon green outfit that screams, "Look at me," go for timeless, muted shades like beige, navy, or soft pastels. These colors project elegance and versatility, ensuring you look polished in any setting. Refine your wardrobe with classic staples like a tailored blazer, a sleek little black dress, or a crisp white button-down. These pieces transcend trends, becoming the reliable backbone of your style. The goal isn't to avoid trends entirely, but to balance them with timeless elements. Remember, sophistication isn't loud, it whispers, and that whisper is always on trend. Number 3. Overloading accessories. Accessories are meant to elevate your outfit, not overshadow it. Think of them as the final flourish to your look, not the entire story. Yet new money often goes overboard, stacking rings like it's a jewelry convention, or rocking a bag so oversized it's practically a carry-on. Instead of wearing enough bangles to start your own percussion band, opt for one standout piece, like a Cartier bracelet or a timeless watch. A single, well-chosen accessory can add a touch of luxury without screaming for attention. Less is more. Stick to 1 or 2 signature items, whether it's a pair of pearl earrings or a delicate chain necklace. Let your accessories enhance your outfit subtly, ensuring they harmonize rather than compete. The goal? Sophisticated simplicity that whispers elegance instead of shouting extravagance. Number 4. Flashy footwear choices. Shoes are where many outfits go to die. While your footwear might seem like a minor detail, it's often the loudest tell of new money style. Crystal-encrusted sneakers. They're more disco ball than chic. Heels plastered with oversized logos. They scream for attention when sophistication whispers instead. Compare the crystal-covered sneaker to a sleek leather loafer. The sneaker may dazzle, but the loafer effortlessly commands respect. Timelessness always wins. Focus on clean, understated designs made from high-quality materials. A classic pair of nude pumps or black leather loafers will complement your outfit without stealing the spotlight. Let your shoes support your style story, not hijack it. Number 5. Lack of cohesion. Your outfit should flow like a perfectly written novel, not leave people wondering if it's a plot twist. When clashing patterns, mismatched colors, and unrelated styles collide, the result isn't edgy, it's chaotic and confusing. Picture this: a leopard print blouse, striped pants, and neon earrings, all fighting for attention. Sure, they'll grab eyes, but not in the chic way you want. Instead, think of a soft beige cashmere sweater paired with cream trousers and delicate gold accessories. That's elegance, and it's effortless. Curate your wardrobe with a cohesive color palette, one that gives your look purpose. Neutrals like beige, navy, and grey are the unsung heroes of sophistication, providing the perfect foundation for an elevated wardrobe. They make mixing and matching simple, and they work for every occasion. Once you've got the basics down, you can confidently add a pop of color. Think soft pastels, muted jewel tones, or even a bold red, but keep it intentional, not random. Consistency in your wardrobe is like having a signature scent, subtle but unforgettable. Number 6. Faux luxuries are easy to spot. Here's a harsh truth. Fake designer goods don't fool anyone. That counterfeit Chanel bag might seem like a steal, but it sends the wrong message faster than you can say, knock off. The giveaway? Shiny plastics, uneven stitching, and logos that scream imitation. Instead of flaunting a faux Birkin, consider high-quality alternatives from brands like Pauline or Kayana. These under-the-radar names deliver impeccable craftsmanship and timeless designs without trying to impersonate luxury giants. Prioritize quality over pretense. A sleek leather tote with clean lines will outshine a counterfeit any day. Authenticity isn't just stylish, it's confidence on display. Number 7. Ignoring grooming details. Let's be real. No matter how stunning your outfit is, it won't save you from chipped nails, unkempt hair, or makeup that looks like it belongs on a theatre stage. Grooming is the unspoken hero of elegance. It's what ties your entire look together. Channel your inner Kate Middleton. Her soft blush, neutral lip, and effortlessly polished hair never scream for attention. They whisper sophistication. Aim for minimalism. A neat ponytail, clean manicures, and light, natural makeup are all you need to look effortlessly put together. It's not about looking flashy, it's about looking flawless. Number 8. Ill-fitting clothes. Even the most expensive wardrobe loses its charm if the fit is off. Baggy blazers, gaping dresses, or too tight trousers scream off the rack rather than refined elegance. Fit is the secret ingredient to looking polished, no matter your budget. A $100 tailored blazer will always trump a $1,000 designer one with sagging shoulders or a constricting fit. It's all about how it hugs your body, not the label on the tag. Invest in a skilled tailor. It's a game changer. Hem that dress, taper those trousers, or adjust that jacket. The result? Clothes that feel custom-made and showcase your best self. Number 9. Obsessing over trends in jewelry. While bold, trendy jewelry may catch the eye, it often ages faster than a viral meme. Chunky necklaces, oversized earrings, or flashy chokers might seem fun, but they rarely exude the timeless elegance associated with true sophistication. A trendy, oversized choker might turn heads at a party, but a delicate gold chain or a diamond pendant will leave a lasting impression of refinement. Go for jewelry that stands the test of time. Think pearl studs, a classic tennis bracelet, or a dainty gold bangle. These pieces are effortlessly chic, subtly complementing your look rather than overshadowing it. Classic always beats fleeting fads. Number 10. Overloading with exotic prints. Animal prints can definitely rule with style, but too much of a good thing can quickly turn your outfit into a fashion jungle. While leopard or zebra prints add personality, Going head-to-toe with them risks crossing the line from chic to chaotic. Picture a sleek black outfit paired with leopard print heels versus a full leopard print jumpsuit. One whispers elegance, the other shouts, "Look at me!" Treat bold prints as the spice, not the main dish. A silk scarf, a belt, or a pair of shoes in animal print can elevate your ensemble while keeping it classy. Pair them with neutral tones and structured pieces for a polished, balanced look. And there you have it, 10 signs you might be dressing like new money, and, more importantly, how to fix it. Remember, the goal isn't to spend a fortune or copy someone else's style. It's about refining what you already have and making thoughtful choices that exude elegance, confidence, and timeless sophistication. So, which of these mistakes have you been guilty of? Let me know in the comments. And don't worry, we've all been there. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living your most stylish, confident life. Until next time, keep it classy.